Have a good day, everyone. This is Teacher Joanne. How are you? I hope all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson about adjectives and nouns. Now, let's start with nouns. Okay? Be ready. Snake, snake. Ant, ant. Elephant, dog. Rabbit, turtle. Candle, monkey. Now we are going to describe these nouns, okay? Please be ready again. It's a fat cat. Fat cat. It's a slow turtle. Slow turtle. It's a little ant. Little ant. It's a big ball. Big ball. It's a long snake. Long snake. It's a small dog. Small dog. It's a fast rabbit. Fast rabbit. It's a short candle. Short candle. It's a thin monkey. Thin monkey. It's a fat cat. It's a slow turtle. It's a little ant. It's a big ball. It's a long snake. It's a small dog. It's a fast rabbit. It's a short candle. It's a thin monkey. Good job, everyone. You did great. I hope you like this video and you learn from this video. Please study all your lessons at home. Be good to your parents and always be safe. This is Teacher Joanne. See you again on our next video. Goodbye, kids!